In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss, and Jessie Ripoll will be going first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Jessie Ripoll. Bible knowledge: which prophet had a vision of a wheel in the middle of a wheel?
Wheel in the middle of a wheel. Which
Amos.
Amos.
Incorrect. Ezekiel. Bible knowledge: bamboo. Which prophet did Jesus quote from when he said, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me"?
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah.
Incorrect. Isaiah. Science: Jessie Ripoll. What is the name of the smallest bone in the human body?
Smallest bone in the human body.
The ossicles.
The ossicles.
Incorrect. Stirrup in the air. Science: bamboo. What is the name of the bone which connects the shoulder to the elbow in the human body?
Ulna.
Una.
Incorrect. It's the humerus. Jessie Ripoll. Jamaican affairs. It's a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Renardo Brown.
Incorrect. It's Jermaine Brown, TVJ sportscaster. Bamboo. Jamaican affairs. A visual question for you also. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Simone Cooper.
Simone Clyde Cooper.
Incorrect. It's Andrea Chisholm, TVJ senior reporter and anchor. Jessie Ripoll. English language. Spell embellish, which means to make something more attractive by the addition of decorative details.
Embellish.
Embellish.
Incorrect. It's Embellish. English language: bamboo. Spell coincidence, which means something that is not planned or arranged but seems like it is.
Man. Coincidence.
Incorrect. Coincidence. Television: a visual question. Jessie Ripoll. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Tyler Perry.
That's right. Television: a visual question. Bamboo. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
James Washington.
Incorrect. It's Danny Glover. Jessie Ripoll. General knowledge: which bird is known as the bird of peace?
Dove. Dove.
That's right. General knowledge: bamboo. Which bird is known as the bird of Juno?
Peacock.
Peacock.
That's correct. Social studies: Jessie Ripoll. What is the name for the point at which a river begins?
Source. Source.
That's correct. Social studies: bamboo. What is the name for the point where a river empties into a larger body of water, like an ocean or lake?
Mouth.
That's correct. Jessie Ripoll. Music: a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Tina Turner. Tina Turner.
Incorrect. Dolly Parton. Music: a visual question. Bamboo. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Ray Charles.
That's right. Jessie Ripoll. Mathematics: if 2 raised to the power of x is 64, what is the value of x? Incorrect. The answer is 6. Mathematics: bamboo. If 3 raised to the power of x is 81, what is the value of x?
3.
Incorrect. It's 4. Sports: Jessie Ripoll. What is the name of the instrument used to hit the ball in a game of table tennis?
Racket.
That's correct. Bamboo. Sports: what is the name of the object hit by a racket in a game of badminton?
Shuttlecock.
That's right. And that's it for section 1. The scores are Jessie Ripoll primary on 4 and Bamboo primary also on 4, so it's a tie. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Try different study methods to see what works best for you. Use flashcards one day, mind maps another day, and summaries the next. Thanks for that tip, Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.